Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for social media posts. First, navigate to canva.com and log in or create a free account. Once inside, you will see a search bar where you can type social media post or a specific platform like Instagram post. This will bring up a wide array of pre-designed templates, saving you valuable time and effort. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic, or start with a blank canvas for full creative control. Now, let's dive into designing your post. After selecting a template, you can easily modify any element. Click on text boxes to change the font, size, color, and content. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library of millions of stock photos and graphics. Simply drag and drop elements onto your canvas. You can resize, rotate, and reposition them with intuitive controls, ensuring your design looks exactly as you envision it. To make your posts uniquely yours, focus on customization and branding. Canva allows you to upload your brand's logo, specific fonts, and even create a custom color palette. This ensures every post reflects your brand identity consistently. With a Canva Pro account, you can set up a brand kit, giving you one-click access to all your brand assets. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a cohesive look across all your social media channels, reinforcing brand recognition. Once your design is perfect, it's time to export and share. Click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in several formats, such as PNG for high-quality images or JPG for smaller file sizes. Canva also offers direct sharing options to popular social media platforms. For even greater efficiency, utilize Canva's Content Planner to schedule your posts in advance, ensuring your social media presence remains active and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.